Good day everyone. I am going to discuss to you about the badminton tournament and its facilities and their equipment. Badminton tournament has divided into three grades, the grade 1, the grade 2, and the grade 3. First is the grade 1. The BWF or the Badminton World Federation regularly organizes in 7 major international badminton events and 1 event for para badminton. First is the Olympic Games in cooperation with International Olympic Committee. Second, the World Championship. The BWF World Championship, formerly known as the IBF World Championship, is a badminton tournament sanctioned by Badminton World Federation or BWF. The third is the World Junior Championships. The BWF World Junior Championship is a tournament organized by Badminton World Federation (BWF) to crown the best junior badminton players under 19 in the world. The fourth one is the Para Badminton World Championship. The Para Badminton World Championship is an individual biannual event organized by the BWF or the Badminton World Federation. The highest ranked para badminton players compete in 6 sports classes in the 5 categories. The championship was organized under the Para Badminton World Federation or PBWF before it decided to join with BWF in June 2011. The fifth is the Thomas Cup. The Thomas Cup, sometimes called the World Men's Team Championship, is an international badminton competition among teams represented members nation of the Badminton World Federation or the BWF, the sport's global governing body. The sixth is the Uber Cup. The Uber Cup, sometimes called the World Team Championship for Women, it is the major international badminton competition contest by women's national badminton teams. Number 7 is the Sudirman Cup. The Sudirman's Cup is the World Mixed Team Badminton Championship which takes place event with 2 years. Now, let's proceed to the Grade 2. The Grade 2 tournaments known as the BWF or the Badminton World Federation World Tour was sanctioned into 6 levels with different world ranking points awarded as the order are: Level 1, the BWF World Tour Finals. Next, the Level 2, the BWF World Tour Super 1000 has 3 tournaments. The Level 3, the BWF World Tour Super 750 has 5 tournaments. The Level 4, the BWF World Tour Super 500 has 7 tournaments. The Level 5, the BWF World Tour Super 300 has 11 tournaments. And the last, the Level 6, the BWF Tour Super 100 has 11 tournaments. Events that were formerly held from 2007 to 2017 are Super Series Premier. Next is the Super Series. Next is the Grand Prix Gold, and the last is the Grand Prix. The last is the Grade 3. The Grade 3 tournament, known as the Continental Circuit, was sanctioned into 3 levels with different world ranking points awarded, as ordered they are. First is the International Challenge. They have 22 tournaments. Next is the International Series. There are 37 tournaments, and the last is the Future Series. There are 27 tournaments. And now, let's proceed to our next topic, which is equipment and facilities of badminton. Different versions of badminton have been played for centuries, but it was the game of Pona in India that was the basis for the game of badminton we play today. In the 1860s, a group of stationed British Army officers learned the game and took it back with them from India. The game grew in popularity until 1895 when the Badminton Association of England was formed. Along the rules of the game that are used around the world even today, in order to play this form of badminton, certain equipment and facilities are needed. Racket. The badminton racket is the one of the most important tools a player has in the game. Badminton rackets are much lighter than most other sport rackets because they are made from materials such as carbon fiber or lighter metals such as aluminum. Parts of the racket include the head, the throat, shaft, and the handle with a maximum length of 27.77 inches and a width of 9 inches. Each string that are stretched across the opening of the racket in the checkerboard pattern, which acts as the hitting surface. Badminton rackets can vary widely in the cost depending on whether they are purchased as part of the basic backyard set or as more expensive professional models. Shuttlecock. The badminton shuttlecock, also referred to as a shuttle or a birdie, acts similarly to a ball in other racket sports. However, the design of the birdie creates more drag as it is propelled through the air due to its wider shape. The shuttlecock is made of a cone shape with a hard cork at its tip. Shuttlecocks can be made from a variety of materials. More expensive models are actually made from feeders, and less expensive models are made from plastic feeders. The shuttle has 16 feeders attached to the base, and the length of the feeders range between 2.44 and 2.75 inches. Net. A mesh net divides the badminton court into two sides. A badminton net is placed lower than a volleyball net at 5 feet and 1 inches high on the sides and 5 feet high in the center. The length may vary depending on whether doubles or singles are playing, with single reaching 17 feet and double reaching 22 feet. The net is 30 inches wide with a 3-inch white tape double over the top. Facilities. The badminton court should be 44 long by 22 feet wide if playing doubles, and 44 feet long by 17 feet wide for singles. If the facility is indoors, there needs to be enough height for the shuttlecock to be able to float across the net without hitting the ceiling. This height will vary depending on the strength of the players. Shuttle court surface. Badminton may be played on turn or on hardwood surface specially constructed for sports, such as basketball court. Concrete surface and carpet floors are associated with a higher incidence of injury in badminton. Shuttle court layout. The shuttle court is a rectangular playing area. It is marked out by 1 and 1/2 inch wide lines of chalk or some other marking color, white or yellow. Shuttle court length and width. The shuttle court is 44 feet long. It is bisected by a net 2 feet, 6 inches wide, the top of which is suspended 5 feet from the surface of the court at the center line. The shuttle court playing area is 20 feet wide for doubles play. For singles play, the sidelines are 17 feet wide. Service area. The service court is 15 feet, 6 inches in the length, beginning at single service line and extended forward to another line 6 feet, 6 inches from the net. And that is all my discussion about badminton tournament and equipment and its facilities.